Hey guys, so it's been a while. I was sick, and I don't think you wanted to see me make soup. So yeah, but my wife does make a pretty good soup toscano. I mean, maybe you guys want to see that sometime. Who knows? But it is pretty good. So today takes me back to my younger days of going to Tijuana, partying it up, stumbling back across the border, and eating a gnarly Tijuana taco. Oh, not Tijuana taco, a Tijuana dog, Tijuana hot dog, TJ dog. So this is all you need right here, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up. I'm gonna make the old pico de gallo and a spicy avocado crema. That's for me because I like it a little spicy. My wife likes this stuff, so she's gonna get this for her dog. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and make the pico de gallo, but we're gonna do a time traveler trick. And if you remember from my how to make a carne asada burrito video, I showed you how to make the pico de gallo. Roma tomatoes, onion, and cilantro. But for this, I'm gonna add a little bit of lime zest. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. That's good.
Still happening.
What? Alright, so then from here, we're just gonna go ahead and mix it. There you go. You have your pico de gallo. Isn't gallo chicken?
No, that's pollo.
Pollo. Alright, so I knew that. I was just messing with you. So I'm going to take your 2 bell peppers, thin slice, and again, with the magic of video editing, we're going to be done just like this. Are we done here?
Oh, like that?
And, stay there.
Oh.
And with the magic of video editing, it's going to be done just like this. Alright, so over here we have our little hand spun blender. You can use regular blender, but this is going to be for the hot crema. So first thing that's going to go in there is not your avocado, but that's a pepperoni. Or not a pepperoni, but that's a jalapeno.
A jalapeno.
Cut it up. Seeds are good because seeds actually are what make it kind of warm. Pop those right in there. Ploppity plop plop. You're going to take your 2 avocados. Pop out the egg. Yes, I called it an egg. What else is it? The yolk. Sorry. It's the yolk of the avocado.
It's a seed.
Put the crema in. I haven't even opened this one. But yeah, if you want to make this from scratch, actually, all you need is heavy cream and sour cream mixed well. Or you can use a Greek yogurt. You're just going to pour some in. Oh yeah. And put your little top on. It spins. And you're going to blend. Easier with the blender. Hey, I saw you blink. Boom. Shakalaka. And that is how it's done. We're gonna take our little baba. And yeah, I'm not even gonna do that because that's not even gonna work. Because, yeah, what was I thinking? I don't have a funnel. So we're gonna throw that right over here. Boop. But this is gonna go right into the refrigerator to cool it down. So it's got a removable base. Check that out. I don't even know where this thing came from. I think it's a Tupperware.
Kitchen King?
Kitchen King. Right into the... Those are not mine, by the way. I don't drink Truly.
Yes, he does.
This is my wife and her friends getting all sloshy while they swim. And that will cool down. All right. Here comes Charlie. Just gonna let those cook. These are actually on a low heat. So here we got bacon wrapped hot dogs. Pretty self-explanatory. You take a hot dog, you wrap it in bacon. But when you put it on your griddle, make sure you take that little flappy side and put that down, that side down. It won't unravel. Alright, so while the hot dogs are cooking, it's going to take a minute because this is on a low heat now. Because you don't want to burn them. You don't want to burn the bacon. So you got your peppers cooking up nicely. Oh, Benihana. Alright, and we'll come back with when these are ready to go. Now what you can do is move these over to the bacon grease. Move these over to the bacon grease. They get a little more tender. Here's how we're going to do the buns. People think, oh, just a bun. Throw your wiener in there. You don't throw your wiener into any bun you come across. You wanna lather up that bun first with mayonnaise. So now that you've got your buns lathered with mayonnaise, you're gonna take them right over here to the griddle. Don't use butter for this step. Trust me. I'm a trained professional. I mean, not trained cooking, but we're gonna check out our buns now. Not quite. We'll turn up the heat a little bit. So it's a medium low on the bun side. These are off because these are done. So this area right here is off. This side's still on low. Cooking those up in that bacon grease. Alright, we'll check out these buns again. Boom, done. Alright, so now we're ready to build. We're going to finally add the salt and pepper to both these dishes. And give it a nice little swirly whirl. Alright. So we're going to start off with this. dab. Dab. And the wiener. Drop it right in that bun. Drop this one right in the bun. All right, so we got two of the spicy ones, 2 spicy, 3 regular. Because yeah. So we're gonna take some of your onion or peppers, toss them right up in theirs. I'm gonna guess Jamie probably doesn't want an onion or a pepper bun. But she got one anyways. We're gonna go with the Pico de Gallo. Should grab a spoon. We're gonna take the crema. Which 2 do you want?
Just that one.
Just this one?
Mm-hmm. It's plenty. Thank you.
And there you have it. A TJ dog. Oh my god. You know what that brings me back to? Hong Kong. I mean TJ. Hong Kong and TJ? Inside joke? Okay. Yep. That's pretty good. Now that one jalapeno is gonna make it like just above mild. It's not hot. It's pretty much just for flavor, really. Now if you want to add some hotter peppers, go for it. Damn. You know what song should be playing in the background while you eat this? La Bamba. That's pretty bomb. Alright guys. So leave me some... Man! Leave me some suggestions on what you want to see me cook. I know that sounded a little weird because I have food in my mouth. But just leave me give me some suggestions. I'm feeling a little better now. My eye's still a little pink. I don't know how that happened. I wasn't rubbing, no butthole was right in my, But,
say that.
alright. She probably farted under the sheets while we're sleeping. And I woke up with pink eye. Anyways.
These are very
Hey, it's dinner time! Oh.